Hi, my name is Shelby Rudolph. I'm 8 years old from Porter's Lake. I want to go to the Gaelic College so I can get better at Highland dance and fiddle and everything I do that I love. Me and my sister made a band called Wide Awake Plaid. So on Shiva.
Gaily on we go, heel for heel and toe for toe, arm in arm and row on for Mammy's wedding. Red cheeks of rose, I work for eye as steady stone. There's nothing on my bar, that's my darling.
Hi, I'm Chloe Rudolph and I'm 9 years old. I'm from Porter's Lake, Nova Scotia, but my mom's going to bring me up Cape Breton style. I want to go to the Gaelic College because I love to dance and I like to play music with my family.
Okay.
Lucy Spearns. I'm 9 years old. I'm from Halifax, Nova Scotia. I'm excited to go to the Gaelic College so I can practice my Highland dance. also excited to practice my violin. Bye, see you at the Gaelic College.
How? Smith Claire Mumberket. Hami Lord Ways, and I am 8 years old. I can't wait to go back to the Gaelic College because it was so fun and amazing. Did you know that my great aunt, Sina Henny, wrote the song Oren na Picnic? Irenarenuaro, 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 Senulavura Picnic. Most I love doing fiddle, Highland dancing, the Gaelic, the drama, and the other things, and step dancing. It is so fun being at the Gaelic College. Tap a leaf.
My name is Clancy Dulesky, and I'm 8 years old. I am from Sydney and have been practicing fiddle for almost 4 months. The reason I would like to come to the Gaelic College is to learn all about the Gaelic culture. I'm mostly interested in Gaelic art, instruments, and language. This is Morag of Dunvegan on my film.
This is a demonstration of flip format. This is a demonstration of flip format.
Thank you for watching.
Hello, Kamada How, it's Misha Mora, and I'm from Sydney, Cape Breton, and now I'm going to sing a song that I learned from my baby sister Siobhan. Ina mina mina mo, tana bahishi sakro, matashi dakana squilla kivo. Ina mina mina mo, ina mina mina mo, tona karishi sakro, matashi damalak squilla kivo. Ina mina mina mo. called Mary's Wedding. I hope to see you at the Gaelic College for the best March break ever!
Hi, my name is Keely Brucker, and I'm really excited to go to the Gaelic College because it's my first time. But I'm mostly excited, but a little nervous because it's my first time sleeping over at home. Anyway, I just wanted to sing you a song called My Own Little World. When I feel left alone in the deep sunny grass, I feel left behind, and I feel sad that time. But lots of times I feel up in soaring sky. I feel like I am good. I feel like I am great. I never knew I would be such a flying high like me. I never knew where I couldn't be tonight. Tonight is where I want to go, but we could go to the movies. But tonight there's somewhere else I want to go. Take me to the waterfront tonight. Oh yeah. Take me to the waterfront. Is that 2 minutes? Is that 2 minutes? Take,
Hello, it's Misha Lilia. I'm Vancouver, Canada. I'm 14 years old and I'm in grade 10. I really want to come to camp because I love learning languages, especially Scottish Gaelic, and it would be such an amazing experience to come over all the way from Vancouver to come learn such an amazing language. I love to dance. As you can see, that's me in the middle, dancing with the blonde hair. And I love to play my violin, and I would love to be able to go to a place like the Gaelic College where everything is awesome and I get to do everything that I love to do, learn how to speak Gaelic, dance, make friends, and just have a really, really awesome time. So I hope I can see you soon.
I am Jillian Burke. I am from Dartmouth, Nova Scotia, and I like to Highland dance and play the piano. I am excited to go to the Gaelic College because I want to be a better dancer. I am also excited to go to the Gaelic College because I want to learn how to play the fiddle and the bagpipes. Piano, I am going to play Scottish bagpipes. Lane. I am hoping to learn how to say hello and goodbye in Gaelic, but for now I'm just gonna say goodbye in English. Goodbye.
Hi, my name is Emma Kirkin. I'm 9 years old and I'm from Port Hawkesbury. I love to dance. I love to play the fiddle. And I'm very excited to learn how to play the chanter and the piano. See you at March Break Camp.
It's Michelle James Nelson. I live in Lower Coverdale, New Brunswick. I want to go to the Gaelic College in March Break because I want to meet more friends and learn new Cape Breton tunes. And I'm going to play Maple Sugar.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Sarah, and I'm 9 years old, and I'm from Lower Coverdale, New Brunswick. Why I want to go to camp is to meet new friends and play Cape Breton style. And I'm going to play a little tune. I also like to tap dance.
Angel. I'm 11 years old. I live in Halifax. Will be my 5th year going to the Gaelic College. I love going because I get to meet lots of new friends and learn a bunch of new stuff. And it's so much fun. I hope you like my video.
Hi, my name is Bria Langell. I live in Halifax and I'm 12 years old. This will be my 5th year going to the Gaelic College and I love it so much. It's like the best thing to do over March break. You get to learn a lot of different things like the fiddle, and I can play like a song for you. And you get to learn Gaelic, like songs in Gaelic, which is pretty cool. And here's one verse from one of them. Falling hey you na varsna harwe. Falling hey you Gaelic me ma matin cage. Falling hey you na varsna harwe. Falling hey you. You also get to learn piano and bagpipes and guitar and a bunch of other things. It's so much fun.
Hi, I'm Hannah Langell. I'm 8 years old. This is my 3rd year of Gaelic College, and I'm really excited for it. I'm going to play a song called Ode to Joy. I hope you like it. Excited for Gaelic College because I get to be with my friends and I like learning and stuff on the I like learning the stuff.
Leading